guys, yung ginawa ko ngayon,
Janitor 2.0, ayun.
ChatGPT ako kung may isa pang ending lang, yung parang secret
Replay
ending.
tayo, guys.
At saka,
Naalala mo,
World War?
Hindi. Nung yung last video natin, naglaro tayo ng janitor.
Pag-vlog ka pala, okay.
Nakuha natin yung isang ending ng panoorin mo ang episode 3 o episode 2 o episode 4. Naalala mo yung sinabi ng parang sa telephone ng you are not ready yet. Hanapin natin ang secret. Tanong ako kay ChatGPT guys kung may secret ending dito. Wait lang. Magtatanong tayo.
dito guys, yung ChatGPT, kung may secret ending, at tinuro na ilan ng ending na pwede mo makuha. Pero kung tinuro ng endings ng secret, ayun lang guys.
Ginawa ko yun eh! No guys. Wait. Ooh! Let's see what happened! Ay, gagi. Okay, job well done. Complete.
Bonsu watcher?
Wait lang po. Job well done. Oh.